My dad is really upset with me about the marriage, and it's breaking my heart. I never thought we had end up in this place, but the tension between us has grown so much. He just does not understand my decision, and his disappointment weighs heavily on me. He thinks I have made a mistake and that I am rushing into something without fully considering the consequences. His anger seems to stem from fear that I might be making the wrong choice. I have tried to explain my perspective, but that seems to only make things worse. I know he loves me deeply, but his concern feels overwhelming right now. The distance between us feels like it's widening, and it hurts to see him like this, carrying this guilt while also feeling excited about the new chapter in my life is incredibly challenging. I really hope that in time he shall come to understand my side of things. For now, all I can do is wait and hope for understanding while grappling with the heaviness that accompanies his disappointment. Tears can often be hidden behind a facade of strength. They are not signs of weakness but rather reflections of the heart's honesty. It's important not to waste your tears on someone who would not even shed a tear for you. When pain becomes too much to bear, or when sorrow feels overwhelming, remember that God is always there, not just as a healer, but as a loving Father who gently wipes away your tears. Tears are a universal language. Everyone who weeps shares in the collective sorrow of humanity, just as love connects. As when I see pain in your eyes, I share in your tears, and when I see happiness, rejoice with you. Tears fall like leaves drifting into streams, reflecting the journey of our lives. Always shifting, always changing, but growing stronger through it all. Thank you for being here with me during this time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel